Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. With this video, you will get to know about the 5 scholarship opportunity for you guys. What will be the eligibility criteria, what is the process of application, and what are all the documents required, what are all the benefits you will get through this scholarship. That everything I am going to cover up in this video. Coming to the very first scholarship is Tata Paras Scholarship Program 2023-2024. This initiative has taken by the Tata AIA Life Insurance Company Limited to support the meritorious and underprivileged students. So with this scholarship, if you are in the first year of graduation, post-graduation and PG diploma, then you can get a benefit of rupees 25,000 rupees. So here on Buddy for Study portal, you can see the scholarship program is available. So this scholarship program is divided in 3 parts. First is Paras Scholarship Program for postgraduate students. Second is Paras Scholarship Program for PG Diploma students, and third is Paras Scholarship Program for undergraduate students. So coming to the very first scholarship program, that is Paras Scholarship Program for postgraduate students. So coming to the eligibility criteria, so this scholarship is open for students studying in the first year of postgraduate courses such as MCOM, MSc, MA, and there are so many in banking, insurance, management and other related fields. And you must have scored at least 50% marks in your previous class or semester. Your family income should not be more than 5 lakhs from all the sources, and students from Pan India are eligible to apply for this scholarship program. If we consider the benefits, then you will get a benefit of rupees 25,000 per year with this scholarship. Now coming to the eligibility criteria of Paras Scholarship Program for PG Diploma students. So, it is open for the students studying in the first year of PG Diploma courses in the fields such as commerce, economics, accounting and finance, banking, insurance, management, data science, statistics, risk management and other related fields. Then, you must have scored 50% or more marks in the previous class or semester, and your family income should not be more than 5 lakhs from all the sources, and students from the Pan India only are eligible to apply for this scholarship program. So with this you can take a benefit of rupees 15,000 per year. Now coming to the Paras Scholarship Program for undergraduate students. So if you are studying in the first year of undergraduate courses such as BCom, BBA, BSc, BA and BBI in commerce, economics, accounting and finance, banking, insurance management, data science, statistics, risk management and other related fields. Second is your percentage should be more than 50% marks in your previous class or semesters. And your annual family income should not be more than 5 lakhs rupees from all the sources. Students from the Pan India only are eligible to apply for this scholarship. So with this scholarship you can get a benefit of rupees 15,000 per year. Now coming to the required documents. So for all the 3 programs, you will require a passport size photograph, attested mark sheet of the last qualified examination, then college admission proof, proof of identity, proof of address, proof of family income such as ITR, salary slips, then attested photocopy of a caste certificate, then bank details of applicants, statement of purpose if necessary, and crisis document and disability certificate if applicable. Now coming to the selection process of the scholarship program. So initially shortlisting of the applicants based on the eligibility criteria is specified, then your documents are verified, telephonic interview of shortlisted candidates, post document verification is done, then the final selection of the candidates is done and the final selected candidates are awarded with the scholarship amount. Last date of application for this scholarship is 15 December 2023. So here if you want to apply for this scholarship, then you need to visit the Buddy for Study portal, then log in on this portal and start with your application. You need to check with your eligibility. If you are eligible, then this form will open. You need to fill up with all the details and then submit it. Now coming to the second scholarship is BE BTech Scholarship by Timken India Limited. So if we consider the eligibility criteria, then you will require a 60% marks in 10th, 12th or diploma. This scholarship is open for the BE BTech candidates, and your family income should not be more than 8 lakhs rupees from all the sources. So with this scholarship you can get a benefit of rupees 50,000 rupees, and the documents required for this scholarship are proof of identity, proof of address, 10th and 12th mark sheet, previous academic mark sheet, income certificate, then your bank passbook, current year college fee receipt, then bona fide certificate from the institutes. Last date of this scholarship is 30th November 2023. This scholarship is available on Vidya Saarathi portal. So the link I am sharing in the description box too. You can check with that. Coming to the next scholarship is PNB Housing Finance Protsahan Scholarship for BE BTech students. So if we consider the eligibility criteria, then you will require 60% marks in the class 10th, 12th and diploma. So this scholarship is available for the BE BTech candidates and your family income should not be more than 3 lakhs rupees from all the sources. So with this scholarship you can get a benefit of rupees 40,000. The last date of application for this scholarship is 31st of December. And the documents required for this scholarship are your photo, then proof of identity, proof of address, proof of income letter from the nearest government authority, then your passbook, last academic year mark sheet, current year fees receipt, admission letter, bona fide certificate and the latest college mark sheets. This scholarship is also available on the Vidya Saarathi portal. The link I am sharing in the description box too. You can check with that. Coming to the next scholarship is Kotak Life Insurance Scholarship Program 2023-2024. So with this scholarship, you can get a benefit of rupees 30,000 per year for 3 years to cover the academic expenses. The last date of application for this scholarship is 17 December 2023. If we consider the eligibility criteria, then this scholarship is open for students who are residents of Tamil Nadu and Maharashtra. Then you must have been enrolled in the first year of BCom program at any specified college in Tamil Nadu and Maharashtra. The list of colleges is also given over here. You can check with that. Then your family income should not be more than 4 lakhs rupees from all the sources and you must have scored 65% or more marks in your class 10th and 12th examination. And you must have passed the class 12 in the year 2022-2023. So the documents required for this scholarship are your classes 10th and 12th mark sheets, then a government issued identity proof, current year admission proof, then your ID card, income proof, bank account details and recent passport size photograph. So on Buddy4Study portal, you can see this scholarship is available. So here if you want to apply for this scholarship, then you just need to visit this portal, then log in on this portal and start with your application. You need to check with your eligibility. If you are eligible, then this form will open and you need to fill up the form with all the details and then submit it. Coming to the next scholarship is ONGC scholarship. The last date of application of this scholarship is 30th November 2023. So on ONGC scholarship, I have already made this separate video. The link I am sharing in the description box too. You can check with that. So these are the 5 scholarship opportunities you can apply for. In between, if you have any queries, any questions related to this, then you can just let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching the video. If you find the video helpful, then do like the video and subscribe the channel.